Welcome to this tutorial on how to make your email address visible to everyone on Facebook. In today's digital age, sometimes it's necessary to share your contact information openly, especially if you're managing a business or a public profile. Here's how you can do it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. This is where you'll start customizing your settings to make your email address public. Once you're logged in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is the menu icon that will take you to all your settings. Tap on it. Now, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option and then select Settings from the next menu. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your account settings. Under the Account Center section, find and tap on Personal Details. This is where you can manage all the information associated with your Facebook account. Next, tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see all the contact details you've added to your Facebook account, including your email address. Tap on the email address you want to make public. You'll then see an option that says Facebook Account. Tap on it, and then select Change Visibility on Facebook. This is where you can control who can see your email address. To make your email address visible to everyone, choose the Public option. This means anyone who visits your Facebook profile will be able to see your email address. By following these steps, you can ensure that your email address is accessible to everyone on Facebook. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to connect with people for professional or networking purposes. Remember, making your email address public means it will be visible to anyone who views your profile. So use this feature wisely and consider your privacy settings accordingly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your Facebook email address visible to everyone.